Hey guys, and welcome to Joseph and Robert the Master Builders. Today I will be showing you how to build a Lego mailbox. So let's get started. So first you want a 2x2 brick, a 2x2 plate, and place it on top. Then you want to take a mailbox, and you want to take like an oven mailbox piece. It doesn't have to have this transparent piece. It can be just red or white. So you place it here. Next, you want to take this weird corner piece, and then you want to place it there. Then you want to take a 1x2 tile or grid and place it here. Next, you want to take this tube-looking piece. I don't know what it's called, but it doesn't matter. Then you want to place that there. Then you want to take a 2x2 tile, place it on top, and then you want to take 4 cheese wedges and place them on top like this. And then when you open it up, you can put random things inside, just like a mailbox, like this, for instance, or this, just random pieces. It might not fit some pieces, but hey, it can still fit some. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.